Well, Brian, mountains around the state just getting slammed. Stratton leading the pack, though, with more than 30 inches of fresh snow in the last 24 hours, about a foot at Killington, and just a modest 6 to 8 inches here at Sugar Bush. People, smiles on their faces today, obviously very happy about that, but it really came at the right time because resorts, businesses needed it after what they say has been a real roller coaster of a winter season.
Definitely feeling like it's winter again.
Snowboarder Nina Van Zant taking advantage of the dump of snow after what she says has been an up and down season.
Right after the holidays, it started warming up and raining, and that was a little bit of a bummer.
A warming, then a deep freeze, and then a February thaw. A seemingly random pattern that trips up out-of-towners planning a getaway.
But the people that come here for, a day visit, they're going to be careful when they come.
Resort President Wynn Smith hoping this snow proves it'll be a strong end to the season.
This is really, icing on the cake. It's really phenomenal.
Roberta Elliott is keeping her fingers crossed. She owns Paradise Deli right down the road from Sugar Bush. This time of the year is her store's lifeblood.
This snow is kind of like white gold to us.
So she can get through the slow spring and summer months and get to a different kind of paradise.
Eventually to move someplace warm and sunny.
But for now, our snowboarder friend wants all the fresh powder she can get for as long as she can get it.
May 6th is what they're shooting for. It's really up to Mother Nature.
Well, Sugar Bush President Wynn Smith said that he's expecting another 6 to 8 inches here this weekend and that they're hoping for a long 163-day season. So you still got some time to get out there and get those fresh tracks. For now, live in Warren, Tom Garris, NBC 5 News.